Here's part 3 of my movies and stuff. By the Wolf, please describe. Here's this one. I forget what the name of it is. You can probably read it. Here's these two. This one's called Clash of the Titans. I don't know where the case of this one is completely. Here's a bunch of Ernest movies. Yeah, Ernest, he's back from the grave. I'm being funny. Ha ha ha. Here's Red Skeleton. He's probably dead too. So he's back from the grave. Okay, this one doesn't have a movie in it. It's just a case. This is an Oscar-winning movie. Here's the real Oscar-winning movie. Vincent Price's Oscar-winning movie, The Invisible Man Returns with the other Invisible Man, which is way better than that stupid Frozen. Here's another one. Here's another bunch of movies. I forget what's in here. Probably a bunch of Elvis movies. Here's some Christopher Lee Dracula movies. The House of Seven Gables. A Tim Burton movie. The real King Kong vs. Godzilla, the first one. I'm not saying the remake is bad. Technically, this is the original. This movie with Adam Sandler and and then with Jim Carrey, and then Adam Sandler, and then with Jim Carrey. Technically, Prince of Darkness with Alice Cooper. Cool. Nuke 'Em High. Signed by Lloyd Kaufman, the director. Cool. Todd's Adventure Part 4, signed by a cameraman. Cool. Even though this is bootleg, this is still cool. Todd's Adventure Part 3. You know who this is. James Welp and Andy Lee Nerd. Todd's Adventure Part 2. No, these are not all in orders. This one, the first Godzilla. This one too. It's signed, but I forget the name of it. The Three Stooges. Fritz the Cat. Awesome. House of the Wolfman. Awesome. Attack of the Killer Clowns. Awesome 80s movie. Vaiana. Awesome. Okay, one is good here. The other ones are not, sorry. Yep. And I've always shown you the other ones, so